important to make clear that I am not denigrating the reality of the priestly element in the minister's function as the leader of his congregation in prayer. Dean Sperry, in his discussion of this point, makes this graphic comment: any intrusion of angular individuality on the minister's part in the conduct of the service of worship is not only a breach of good taste, it is a frustration of the act of worship. Commenting further, he says, we are inclined to think that intimacy and individuality on the minister's part give reality to the office of worship. It is his judgment that intimacy somehow undermines or destroys the reality of prayer. He says that the minister who leads in prayer is not an individual praying for himself. He is the voice of the people. This is an excellent point which needs to be emphasized, but it does not negate the plea that I'm making for genuineness in the prayer experience which the minister has in leading his congregation in prayer. It is true that he gathers into one sensitive compass the yearnings, aspirations, needs of his diverse congregation, but these are channeled through the yearning and outreach of his own spirit. These needs come to focus in him, and in public prayer he voices them. But the voice is his voice. The sincerity is his sincerity. The prayer is his prayer. Here, public prayer at its best is most private, and it well may be said that private prayer at its best is most public.